Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is BUFX, USDCHF legend, aka God and Chat. Now today we are here with another beautiful educative content you need to know about forex trading. Now today we'll be talking about what you need to know about swing trading. Now, what do you need to know about swing trading? And what do you even call swing trading? Now let me just explain what swing trading means. And then wait, so before I dive into what swing trading means, um swing trading falls under types of trader. There are three different type of trader. We have the scalper, we have the day trader, we have the swing trader. Scalpers are the ones that trade within the shortest period of time. Day traders are the ones that trade within a day, while swing traders are the ones that stay longer in market. So I happen to fall under swing trading. So what do you mean by swing trading now? So you trade long for a longer period of time. So and we have some factors you have to consider before you be a swing trader. Now some of the factors are what? Number one, your time frame. Your time frame must be specified. So as a swing trader, you should know that your time frame start from what? Your time frame start from 4 hour time frame and above. So your most of time your entry time frame is always 4 hours, and then your directional time frame is always what? Daily time frame, weekly time frame, and a monthly time frame. These are the things you have to know first before you decide to be a swing trader. So your time frame is very important to know first. Second thing you have to know is your back tested strategy. Now what do I mean by back tested strategy? Before you can be successful in forex trading, you have to have a back tested strategy. Back tested strategy is just the kind of it's just your technique of you entering the market. It's the way you approach the market. It is the way you define your own type of trading. And someone like me, my strategy is a reversal strategy, and sometimes I use trend line strategy alongside. We have different type of strategy. We have ICT, we have SMC, we have demand and supply. Some people use indicator like that. So there are various strategy, but the one I focus on is just the reversal strategy and trend line strategy. So according to my trade plan, sometimes I enter my trade through reversal strategy. Sometimes I enter my trade through trend line strategy. So as a swing trader, you have to know the type of strategy that works for you. So that's the number two things you have to know before you become a swing trader. Now, number three things you have to know is your personality. Before you decide to become a swing trader, what is your personality? Or what do I mean by personality? Is your way of life, your time schedule, your activities daily, and like that. So that's your personality. And how is it convenient for you to stay longer on chat and all those kind of things. So those are the things that that comprise of personality. So someone like me, I don't really have much time to be staying on chat or to be looking at screen. So that's why I become a swing trader. I tried day trading for a longer period of time, but I see it's not working for me. So that's why I decided to become a swing trader. So the minimum time it takes a swing trader to enter a trade is just 4 hours time frame. So if I have to be a day trader, I'll be looking at chart maybe every 15 minutes or maybe every 30 minutes, depending on my trade plan. So swing trading gave me opportunity to do other things. So that's why I decided to choose swing trading as my style of trading. So your personality is very important before you decide to be swing trader. Another thing you have to examine is your currency pair. Okay, what do I mean by currency pair? Currency pair, is the asset you trade on. There are different type of currency pair we have in market, like Euro USD, CAD GPY, GBP USD, and the likes. So you have to define the currency pair you want to be trading. As a swing trader, you don't expect you want to be trading all the pairs. No, if you are trading all the pairs, sometimes you might be confusing yourself, or you might be over trading. So and these are the things that make trader not to be successful. So someone like me, like I only trade two currency pairs and one indices. So I don't trade all the currency pairs. So all these things you have to know. And then the reason why I chose to be trading those three is just that they go along my strategy. So your strategy you must consider your strategy before you are picking the pair you'll be trading. So it's very important you know your edge before you pick before you dive in as a swing trader. So it is your strategy that will define the kind of currency pairs you'll be trading. So it's very important to know your strategy. Then after knowing your strategy, when you know your hedge, look at the currency pair that goes along, and they respect your strategy. So that these are the ways you will become a successful trader. And the last thing I'll be talking about is the fundamental analysis. What do I mean by fundamental analysis? Now, fundamental analysis is just what economic activities outside your technical analysis. So economic activity in the sense that what happened around the world, the news and like that. So what's happening in the USA, what's happening all over the world, or what is affecting those currency pairs you are trading. So these are the things you have to these are the things you have to examine, because you can't just base on your technical analysis alone. So you have to carry along with your fundamentals too. It's very, very important. So and how do you know what's going on around the world? So there's news channel, BBC, CNN, and like that. So these are the places you can know what's going on around the world. And again, to check the news, we have a forex factory like that. So all these things, those are the things you need to become what a successful trader, and those are the things you need to know more about what fundamental. So these are the 5 things you have to know. You have to know before you become what before you become a swing trader. So now, quick recap: 5 things you need to know before you become a swing trader. Number one is time frame. Number two is your back tested strategy. Number three is your personality. Number four is the currency pair you want to be trading. And then number five is fundamental analysis. So when you evaluate these 5 things, those are the things that will make you a better trader, and these are the things that will make you become a swing trader. Then after you've already decided all these 5 things, you've already examined it, you have evaluated everything, then you can now be like, okay, let me begin my trading career and see how I'm going to be. So that's it. If you have any question, comment below, and if you have any observation too, comment below as well. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you click the bell notification button so that by the time I drop another video, you'll be one of the first person that will be seeing the video. Thank you. God bless.